Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about the graph in chapter 3. Now let us see the given sum. The first one is draw the graph of x equal to 5. Here x value is given only 5. So here there is no value for y. So you can assume any two values. Already before video I told the minus you select 0 compulsory, then select minus values, any two minus values and any two plus values. So you can draw the box like this. Totally you can select any 5 values. Okay. Now put the boxes like this. You can give the sum they are giving x equal to 5. So value all the x axis 5, 5, 5 only. Okay. 5 points. In that first 5 points, x value is 5 only. Okay. In that x value always 5. So you can put that 5. So now we can apply the value of y. So you can select any value -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. It's like you can give. Select any two minus values, 0 and plus values. Now you can give the name for each point. Now we will have first point 5 minus 2, 0.8, 5 comma minus 2. Second point 5 b equal to b value 5 minus 1, point b. Then c 5 comma 0. Then d 5 comma plus 1. Okay. Now e 5 comma 2. This like you have to write. These are all the 5 points. You have to mark it on the graph sheet. Okay. Now let us see the graph. Now let us see the graph sheet. You have to draw as usual. You can draw the x dash and y dash like this. You can middle 0. Then you can mark the 0 in that middle. Then right side positive numbers, left side negative numbers. Then up side positive, down side negative. So you can write the number 1, 2, 3 counting numbers only 1 unit. So you have to write the scale as usual. You can write the scale. X-axis, in the x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Write the scale like this. The same like y-axis 1 centimeter equal to that also I am selecting 1 unit only. So this like you have to write it on the top of the graph. After that only you can mark all the points on the graph sheet. Okay. Now let us mark the first point. Point A. 5 comma minus 2. Already you know that value of x all that point 5 only. So 5 is in the plus 5 is here. 5 plus 5 in the x-axis positive side. 5 comma minus 2 is here. Okay, by using the scale as usual, you know that how to mark that. First point A. Point A 5 and minus 2. Okay, first point 5 comma minus 2. Second point the same 5 and minus 1. Okay, in the y-axis minus 1. So put that line. Mark 5 minus 1, that is point B. Point B is 5 comma minus 1. Point A 5 and minus 2. Now let us see the third point. Point C 5 comma 0. So 5 comma 0. So 5 comma 0, that point is on the x-axis. Okay. C 5 comma 0 on the axis, on x-axis. Next one plus 5 comma plus 1 y-axis here. 5 comma 1. 5 comma 1 in that 5 is in the x-axis plus 1 in the y-axis. Next one 5 comma plus 2. Okay, this is in the y-axis. Point E 5 comma 2. Now after finishing everything you have to join all the points. What are all the points? You mark it. Point A, point B, C, D, E. You can join the given points by using your ruler. You can join all the points. Okay. Now this is the answer for the graph x equal to. Draw the graph of x equal to 5. That is a given given sum. So you have to write this is the answer for x equal to 5. So you can write on the line x equal to 5. This is the answer. Is it clear, ma? Now let us see the second model. See draw the graph of the given sum is draw the graph of y equal to 5x. The first one x equal to 5, the value is given, so directly you can give y for any values, okay, for y. So here there is some equation like that, y equal to 5x. So here first apply that here y x value, you can apply, assume any value for x, okay. Here you can substitute in this equation what is given, simple equation, y equal to 5x. So here in this column you have to give any value. So you can give any value for x, okay. So the same like 0 plus value 2 minus value 2. So I am giving minus 2 first value. So instead of x, so here I am giving x value minus 2 means you can apply this x value in that y equal to 5x in this equation. So y equal to 5 into, instead of this x you have to apply minus 2. So what is that answer? You can multiply this and then find out. 5 plus 5 minus 2. So the answer minus 10. Okay. So here x value minus 2, y value minus 10. So the next one, minus 1 I am giving. So y equal to 5 into minus 1. Okay. So here you can multiply 5 into minus 1, minus 1. Put that box like this. Okay. Here x value minus 1, y value is minus 1. Third one 0. So y equal to 5 into 0. Okay, any number multiplied by 0, you will get 0. So 0 comma 0. The next point is origin point, 0 comma 0. Plus 1. So I am applying the x value plus 1. Y equal to 5 into 1. That is 5. 1 comma 5. Next one 2. Okay, x value 2. So y equal to 5 into 2. Answer 10. So now we will have 5 points, A, B, C, D, E. These are all the points. You have to mark these points on the graph sheet. That is the answer. After that you can join all the points by using your ruler. That is, you will get a straight line. Okay, is it clear? So now you have to mark before marking the numbers, you can write the scale. Okay, on the top of the sheet. So x-axis, in that x-axis I am selecting 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. For y-axis 1 centimeter equal to, here I am giving 5 values. So 5 units, 5 values I am giving. So 5 units. Like this you have to write. After that only you can mark the points. Now let us see the answer for the second sum. Next one, draw the graph of y equal to 5x. So as usual you can mark the x dash and y dash, center 0, origin point. So everything before started to mark the point, you have to write the scale. Here I am giving, see the y answers. Y values are 5, 10 like that having. So I am selecting 5 units, okay, in that y-axis only. X-axis as usual, minus 1 plus 1, 2, 3. Here minus 1, minus 2 as usual, 1 unit only. Here x-axis, y-axis I am selecting 5 units, okay. Now let us mark the given numbers. Whatever the answer we finished now, that one. First point, point A already we finished. The point A is minus 2 comma minus 10. Both are minus values. So here in this third quadrant, you have to mark it on the third quadrant. Minus 2, minus 10 here. So point A, minus 2, minus 10. Okay. Now next point B, minus 1, minus 5. Here. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 5. Minus 1, minus 5. So next one, origin point, third one. Okay, this is point B. Next one, point C, 0, 0, third point. Next 1, 5, plus 1, plus 5 here. Point D, 1 and 5. Okay, 1 is in the x-axis, 5 is in the y-axis. Next, last point, point E, 2 comma 10. Point 2. Here 2 is in the x-axis, 10 is in the y-axis. E, point E, 2 and 10. That's all. So you can finish marking. Then after that, you can join all the points. You mark the 5 points, that is over. So after that, by using your ruler, and then you join all the points. Just extend the line. This is the answer for that. Y equal to 5x. Y equal to 5x. Always you can, whatever the given equation, you have to write that equation on that line. Okay, what that answer, this is the solution. So you have to, after joining the points, you have to write the equation on that straight line. Okay, is it clear?